I wanted to film a real quick intro because obviously it's the end of the video, but I forgot to film an intro. So yeah, here it is. I just put in hot sink water. I didn't want to use boiling because that just wouldn't make sense. And then I did like a drop of dish detergent. To which add one. So then I guess I'm just gonna pour them in. I mean, I can always add more and then take out more water. Okay, I guess. I'm like scared. Okay. Here comes the rose quartz, aka my fave color. I'm just doing a 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I might do 4. And 4. Cause like you can take it off. You can take it off if you like rinse it out earlier if you wanted a lighter color. And then this one's coral. My dogs are like looking at me like scared. Okay. What am I doing? 4? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. That coral looks a little dark. I feel like I used way too much dye. Ugh. Like, whatever. At least you guys can see what not to do. And then I'm on to sunshine orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm scared. Those like look about right though. They really do. Ew. Oh, I just like broke my finger. Okay. That's that. Okay, so I just got all my stuff set up, and right there are my dogs. Oh, like, don't do this if you're in a bad mood. I'm sweating and it's 50 degrees out, and that was just like a lot. So yeah, good luck. Now I'm gonna start dyeing. But so I just finished my set. I want to show you guys. Excuse how dirty my mirror is. This is what it looks like. I just scrunched up everything. I'm filming on my phone. I just scrunched up like randomly, and then let it sit for like 2 hours. And what I let it sit? I let it sit for 2 hours, and then I took it out of the bags and then put them in the sink in my house and just ran cold water on them, squishing them. I took off the rubber bands before, so like I wanted everything kind of just go like seamless, not like a severe like total like this is tie-dye. I mean, obviously this is tie-dye, but I wanted it kind of like all mashed together. And then I took the like just like random colors of dye, like if I thought it needed more purple or like orange or pink or coral or yellow, like I added more and then squeezed it like while it was running through the water. And it was like super easy, and like it was just, I feel like the more you don't care, the better it will look. So This is it. I know everything's sold out on Amazon right now, but I wish, I don't know, I kind of wish I got, like, oh my god, I just found a pair of slippers. My feet are gross. Who do I think I am? Like, what? Why am I legit going to Stop and Shop like this? But, yeah, I mean, I recommend you do it because I love it, but, like, it is tedious, and, like, I had, like, maybe a couple mental breakdowns, but it was still fun, though, so I'll, like, flip this back around. But, yeah, I would do it. I'm just, like, I mean, obviously, it's, like, normal dye, like, just, like, how it's gonna wash, if it's gonna fade anymore, and I wanted, like, the, like, faded look. I didn't want anything vibrant. Honestly, even if it fades, like, just throw some more dye on it and then redo it. Like, I don't think it's that big of a deal. So, yeah. Sorry, I just, like, messed everything up. That is the video, and if you have any questions, because I probably left something out, just leave them down below, or I'm on my Instagram more. It's KMarsha, KMarshaa, and DM me and I'll reply to that because I'm always on my DMs. But, yeah, so bye!